Hello students, today you will learn about comparing unlike fractions. Let's first see what are unlike fractions. Fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. For example, 2 by 7 and 4 by 9 are unlike fractions because the denominators of these two fractions are different. Now let's learn how to compare unlike fractions. Look at this question. In this question, we are asked to find out which one is smaller. We know that these fractions are unlike fractions because the denominators are different. And the best way to compare unlike fractions is by making their denominators same. But how can we make the denominators same? To make the denominators same, what we have to do is we have to take the LCM of the denominators. That is, we have to take the LCM of 4 and 6. We find the LCM of 4 and 6 using the common division method. So using the common division method, we found out the LCM of 4 and 6 as 12. Now, we have to make the denominators of these fractions equal to 12. So first we will make the denominator of the first fraction equal to 12. To make the denominator 4 equal to 12, we need to multiply 4 by 3. Now since we multiplied the denominator by 3, we also need to multiply the numerator by 3 as well. 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. So the first fraction is written as 9 by 12. Now, we will make the denominator of the second fraction equal to 12. To make the denominator 6 equal to 12, we need to multiply 6 by 2. And since we multiplied the denominator by 2, we also need to multiply the numerator by 2 as well. 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. So the second fraction is written as 10 by 12. Now we have the same denominator in each case. And since the denominators are same, they are like fractions. And now that we have changed the unlike fractions to like fractions, it will be easier to compare these fractions. And to compare like fractions, we just compare the numerators. Since 9 is smaller than 10, we can say that 9 by 12 is smaller than 10 by 12. 9 by 12 is 3 by 4 and 10 by 12 is 5 by 6. So the first fraction is smaller than the second one. Now look at this question. In this question, we are asked to arrange these unlike fractions in increasing order, that is, from small to big. And to order these fractions, we first need to change them to like fractions, that is, we need to make the denominators of these fractions same. And to make the denominators same, we need to find out the LCM of these denominators. That is, we need to find the LCM of 10, 5 and 2. And to find the LCM, we use the common division method. So using the common division method, we got the LCM of 10, 5 and 2 as 10. Now what we have to do is, we will make the denominators of these fractions equal to 10 because 10 is the LCM of 10, 5 and 2. The first fraction already has the denominator as 10, so we will leave it as it is. Now we will make the denominator of the second fraction equal to 10. And to make the denominator 5 equal to 10, we need to multiply 5 by 2. Since we multiplied the denominator by 2, we also need to multiply the numerator by 2 as well. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8, so the second fraction is written as 8 by 10. Now, we will make the denominator of the third fraction equal to 10. And to make the denominator 2 equal to 10, we need to multiply 2 by 5. And since we multiplied the denominator by 5, we also need to multiply the numerator by 5 as well. 1 multiplied by 5 is 5, So the third fraction can be written as 5 by 10. Now we have the same denominator in each case. So now it will be easier to compare and write the fractions in increasing order. And to write the fractions in increasing order, we first need to find the smallest fraction among these fractions. And if we compare the numerators, the smallest numerator is 5. So the fraction 5 by 10 is the smallest. And on comparing the numerators of these two fractions, we can say that the numerator 7 is smaller than the numerator 8. So 7 by 10 is smaller than 8 by 10. And on arranging the fractions in increasing order, we write 5 by 10 first because it is the smallest. Then we write 7 by 10 and then 8 by 10. 5 by 10 is equal to 1 by 2. 7 by 10 is the same and 8 by 10 is equal to 4 by 5. So students, remember, when the fractions are unlike, make the denominators same. That is, change them into like fractions. That's all for today. Thank you.